Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ChatGPT on iPhone, beginner tutorial step by step clearly. Start by unlocking your iPhone and locating the App Store. Tap on the App Store icon to open it. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and press enter. Look for the official ChatGPT application in the search results. Tap on the ChatGPT app to view its details. Then, click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Once the app has downloaded, open it by tapping on its icon. You may be prompted to log in or create an account. If you need to create an account, follow the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you will be taken to the main interface of ChatGPT. To begin a conversation, tap on the text input field at the bottom of the screen. Type your question or prompt clearly into the input field. After typing, press the send button to submit your message. Wait a moment as ChatGPT processes your request and generates a response. Once the response appears, you can read it directly on the. If you want to ask follow-up questions, simply type them into the input field. You can also use voice input if your iPhone supports it. For voice input, tap the microphone icon next to the text field. Speak your question clearly and wait for the app to process your voice input. After receiving replies, feel free to adjust your questions for more specific answers. Explore various topics and experiment with different prompts to get the best results. For additional features, check the app settings, which can usually be found in the menu. Customize your experience based on your preferences, such as notification settings. Finally, enjoy the instant assistance and creative ideas that ChatGPT has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.